Hey everybody, how's it going? Just stopping in today to do a quick little tutorial, a little tip if you will, on how to test your silver the easy way. I've had trouble in the past determining whether or not it is silver just by looking at the acid and the color of it on this black stone. So I have a little trick that I want to share with you that makes it much, much easier. So that way you know you have no doubt silver. I've got four things here. I've got a 90% silver quarter. I have a 925 sterling ring marked on the inside. And I have an unmarked ring. I know it's silver, I already tested it. And just to show you what it looks like for something non-silver, we're just going to do this key. So what you're going to want to do is take whatever item you want to test. You're going to want to rub it on the edge. Now this can damage your coins. If you don't want to damage them, then try to find somebody at a local coin shop that they can test it in different ways. There's machines they can test it with. But for these purposes, this isn't really worth a whole lot, so let's get to it. You're going to give it a nice little rub on there. I like to rub it around in different spots so it's not all off of the same spot. Give it a little rotate. Okay, here's our coin. Here's our silver ring. Now, I'm just really scratching it to kind of exaggerate it for you. You don't need to really rub it this much. It kind of just polishes the edge of whatever you're rubbing on there. We'll do this ring next. And last but not least, we'll do this key. I'll even do this side too for you. Okay, so you can tell right away that's not silver. It's very brassy looking. Your silver is going to appear silver in color on the actual stone. And then, simple as that. Give it a little drop of acid. And let the acid do its job. Give it a minute or so. Should give it plenty of time. So, you're going to want to look at the coloration that's left over after the acid works on the metal. It's going to be red. It's going to be silver. And there's different shades of red. And usually these kits will come with directions and kind of show you how. But I actually had to figure this trick out doing a bunch of research. I actually found it on another YouTube video. It was very, very helpful. So I figured I'd share it with my viewers as well. I think I got this on Amazon. I'm sure you could find them at any local coin shop if you want to support a local business, but there's not a whole lot of coin shops in my area, so to Amazon I go. Alright, that should give it plenty of time to do its magic, so here's the trick. Get out anything white, toilet paper, paper towel, and you're just going to want to dab it and wipe. And you can already see the red on that. You give it a few seconds, see how the acid evaporates off, and you're left with that red. That's how you know you got silver. Okay, next up is the 925 ring, the one that's marked 925. Oh yeah, that's nice. It's awesome. The acid just evaporates right off, and all you're left with is the residual redness from your metal. Okay, next up is the other silver ring, non-marked silver ring. Sweet. I don't even have to wait for it to evaporate on that one. Now, hopefully it doesn't get mixed in with the last key, but it should be okay. Alright, as you can see there, no red at all. And as it evaporates off, it's going to leave nothing. That's it, everybody. That is the easiest way to test your silver. So you know, without a doubt, oh whoops, you got some silver jewelry, or silver coin. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. I'd love to answer it for you. Hit that like button and consider subscribing. That's it, everyone. Have a good one. Be safe.